Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate hotel points transfer in Citi ThankYou step by step clearly. To activate hotel points transfer in Citi ThankYou, start by logging into your Citi account. Once logged in, navigate to the ThankYou rewards section. Look for the rewards or transfer points option in the menu. Click on the transfer points button to see the available transfer partners. Select your preferred hotel loyalty program from the list provided. Review the transfer details and requirements for that specific program. Ensure that your hotel loyalty account is linked to your Citi ThankYou account. If you haven't linked your account yet, follow the prompts to do so. Enter the amount of points you wish to transfer. Double-check the points total and any associated fees before proceeding. Confirm your transfer request by clicking on the designated button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your transfer is processing. Keep an eye on your hotel loyalty account to verify that the points have been credited. If needed, refer to your account history for documentation of the transfer. Always check for any promotional offers that could boost your points transfer value. Remember that points transfers may take some time to process, so be patient. Your hotel points should appear in your account shortly after the transfer completes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.